been to Hard Rock Park? Thrilling rides, killer shows, amazing memorabilia. Fans of all ages rock at Hard Rock Park, where rock comes to play.
We are a place I'm no stranger to. The infamous Hard Rock / Freestyle Music Park. Or what's left of it anyway. I thought, why not? Let's stop by here. Do some then and nows. Let's see how the front entrance anyway has changed. Looks like every single one of these ticket booth windows has been smashed by someone at some point over the years. This picture is from the opening of Hard Rock Park with the red carpet. I like the graffiti up there. You see that little ghost? Now, if you're interested in seeing inside this property, I have full videos, I think it's a 3 or 4 part series of the entirety of the park, every building, every land, or whatever they called them at the time, every themed area. Do not open, dead inside. So I'll put a link to that up here. Park didn't survive, but is what it is. Now it's here for all to see. Now the area I'm walking through right now, as you can see, is wide open. There's plenty of opening event. Really? You don't say. Anyway, what was I saying? This is the area that you technically could walk around and not get in trouble for looking at. This is the front gate, but once you pass through that gate, there is security, so beware. During my videos that I filmed here, when I did the entirety of the park, I was here under permission of the security team, so keep that in mind. But there's really nothing left. It's just miscellaneous small ticket buildings that have been destroyed by what I assume kids just trying to have what they call fun. groovy tickets. I noticed there's no ticket price on here anymore, but I will say when there was a price on there, it was expensive. That's why the park looks like it does today. Or not the sole reason, just one of the reasons. And there it is. Freestyle music / hard rock theme park. It's a blemish on the Myrtle Beach area for sure. But who knows what the future holds for it. This is a big piece of land. There's a very large main road, Highway 501, right over there. And right behind me, over here, is George Bishop Parkway, which crosses over to the airport. So this is really a good piece of land, but just not utilized at the moment. I'm sure 5, 10, 15 years from now, this area will be completely different and hopefully successful. This parking lot over here, they use it for racing, time trials, I believe. I don't think these skid marks have to do with the events that are taking place here. They just reminded me that they cone this off and they officially have racing and time trials, things like that. Smaller vehicles, I believe. You can see this entire parking lot's just vacant. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time.